everyone, today we make an experiment of frosted branches. We need to frost the branches. For the experiment we need a container, some tree branches, about a half kilogram of salt and 1 liter of water, hot water. Let's pour 1 liter of hot water into a container. And now let's pour the salt into this container. We need hot water so that salt dissolves in water, and we need to add as much salt as it stops to dissolve. The salt mixture is ready. We can see that just a tiny amount of salt cannot be dissolved. And let's put 3 branches into the container and rest them for 24 hours or so.